Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Arina Norma. Student ID number is 20400122048. Now I will mention the three question. The first is Hananian and Greatman 1977 conducted research showing the process of adult language acquisition. What do you know of the research, and what do you think about the research report, if it is connected to your own experience as an second language learner? And the second question is Alice R. 1997 emphasized that the computational model explains three stages that occur in human mind when acquiring language. What do you know of the model? Explain your answer in detail and support with example. So the third question is according to Christian S. 1982, adult will complete 5 stages of language development. In the process of acquiring a second language, what do you know of the 5 stages, and what do you think about the stage if they are connected to your own experience as an second language learner? So I will answer the question. The first is Hananian and Greenman 1977. Hananian and Greenman studied how adults learn a second language. They found that factors like motivation and prior experience play a big role in language learning. Adults often use their first language as a foundation, which can help but also cause error. So my experience is as an second language learner. I often rely on my first language to understand English grammar. However, this sometimes lead to mistakes, like directly translation idioms. This research matches my experience in dealing with such challenges. So the second is competition model. Alice 1997. Alice explained that language learning happens in 3 stages. The first is input, receiving language data, or listening and reading. So second is processing, analyzing and understanding the language structure, and the third is output, producing language through speak or writing. For example, when I hear she is read a book, I first recognize the word input, understand the grammar processing, and then try to create a similar sentences like I'm reading a book output. So my experience is the most challenging part for me is processing, especially with expression like look up, which cannot be directly translated. This model helps me understand how language learning works step by step. And the third is a 5 stage of language development. Krashen 1982. Krashen described 5 stages of second language learning. First is pre-production or listening without much speaking, and second is early production using simple word and phrases, and third is speech emergence, making basic sentence and simple conversation, and the fourth is intermediate fluency using more complex grammar and vocabulary, and the fifth is advanced fluency, being fluent like a native speaker. So my experience is the stage reflect my learning process. At first I listen a lot pre-production, then I use basic phrases like how are you, early production. Now I'm in intermediate fluency where I can write and speak more confidently, but still need to learn cultural nuance. So maybe enough until there. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.